It is time now to Ask Isaacs, our weekly conversation with 6 News legal analyst Greg Isaacs. Greg, it's good to have you with us.
Lori, it's good to be here.
You know, yesterday we shared some heart-wrenching testimony from a young survivor of a horrifying child abuse case. His adoptive parents, Michael and Shirley Gray, pleaded guilty to murder by aggravated child abuse, taking plea deals that will send them to prison for the rest of their lives. The now 15-year-old ending his victim impact statement with this, quote, "Don't do unto others as they have done to you. Even though you have done evil, I forgive you." Powerful, powerful stuff. That's what our reporter in the courtroom, Dominic Webster, came back and told us. So, Greg, does that, quote, powerful stuff matter when it comes to the courts handing out punishment?
Lori, absolutely. After a conviction, when 12 jurors find someone guilty, or you enter a plea of guilty, the next phase is sentencing, and in sentencing is always the opportunity to give a victim impact statement. Tennessee, a very strong state in terms of protecting victims' rights. Article 1, Section 36 of the Tennessee Constitution enumerates all the rights you have as a victim: the right to be present, the right to be heard, right to be informed, right to know about plea agreements. You don't have the right to veto a plea agreement, but your input has to be considered by prosecutors. But under the Victim Impact Statement Act of 1994, the most powerful people in the courtroom is not the man in the black robe, not the prosecutor, not the defense lawyer. It's that victim that can give an emotional, unfettered statement about how that impact has touched their lives. And under the law, the judge is supposed to use that testimony, and they're not cross-examined. They're not guided by a prosecutor, and often it gets vitriolic.
But this is your well-deserved time.
This is
to
your
let
time.
your voice be heard.
You are you are the most important person in that courtroom, and you look at the judge or you look at that defendant, and the judge is charged with considering what you say as evidence in imposing a just sentence under Tennessee law. And Lori, I've seen people yell, I've seen people scream, damn people to hell, and I've seen people cry, and I've seen people forgive, but it is a very real, raw moment in the Tennessee courtrooms.
Before we let you go, what is your reaction, having been in court for many years, you're a parent as well, your reaction to this young boy?
Well, let's talk about this. These kids were starved, locked in basements for years, starved to death, locked in animal cages, locked in punishment crates. And at the end of the day, and it also makes you want to tear up, they didn't want the death penalty for their step-parent, foster parents. The young 15-year-old said, "Your house was my prison. Prison will now be your house." And Lori, it gives you chills.
Yeah.
And a very, very unfortunate case in Roane County, Tennessee.
Absolutely.
Yeah, powerful stuff indeed. If you have a legal question, you can send it to askisaacs@wate.com. And remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on WATE 6 on your side.